Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new tutorial to show you how to correctly bleach knots. And I want you guys to know that the same process I am doing for this closure is the same steps and process that I do with a frontal as well. So keep watching and stay tuned. Now usually when I am bleaching a closure, I like to use 1 cup of BW2 powder, and then I also use that same cup to pour a cup of 40-ounce developer as well. No, you don't have to use 40, you can use any of the other options, but just know that the lower the volume, the slower the process. When stirring the products together, you want to make sure that you are looking for a certain type of consistency from your mix. You do not need to have a watery mix. What I mean by watery is that if you lift up your brush and it's dripping, that means it's too watery. You might need to add more powder. You want to make sure that it's thick, not over thick where it's lumpy, but thick enough that if you were to just spread it onto your closure or frontal, it would just go on smooth and neat. Another thing you want to be sure to do is to clip all the little flyaway hairs out the way, because if bleaching powder gets on them, it will begin to turn the hairs blonde. Another thing, guys, when you are brushing your mix onto your closure, you do not want to push down hard on the lace where the developer can seep through and turn your hairs blonde. So just gently rub it all on there. And another trick that I like to do is, instead of just brushing everything downward, I like to move my brush upward, and I like to bring the sides in. I notice that when I do that, it makes the application of this mixture a little easier. Another trick I like to do is bring that mixture a little bit past the hairline, because sometimes, depending on the hairline of a person, you may need some of that extra lace to style them. So I like to go ahead and tint some extra lace just in case. And your closure or frontal piece should look something similar to this, just evenly spread it and everything like that. And I'm going to let that sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, but I'm just keep checking to see how it goes. So after waiting a little bit, you could go ahead and wash out your closure or frontal unit with a Shimmering Lights Shampoo and Conditioner, and your result should be something like this. So thank you for watching, and until next time.